We wander, we roam, we take the road, we make our home. Let's go!
I'm sharing everything which I did today. I did a lot of different things, a lot of crazy things. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hi guys, this is my Christmas vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel again today from wherever you are. I wish you a very, very, very happy Christmas, happy holidays, and a beautiful time ahead, irrespective of what you are going to spend it on or how you are going to spend it. I wish you all the happiness, all the blessings and miracles, and I'm sure you're going to have the best time ahead and you're going to have a beautiful 2022 as well. But right now we are celebrating Christmas, and that is why I am also dressed in my Christmas attire. This is a little unconventional for Christmas, because on Christmas you usually wear red and something bright and all of that, and not black. So you might be wondering, ye kya ho gaya? So I like to do things a little bit different, so that is why I am actually in a lehenga choli, and it's black, and I had to do my makeup suiting the attire. So not celebrating Halloween, I am celebrating Christmas. Yes, I know what day it is. It's 25th December 2021. I am in my senses. I hope you like it, and I want all of you to celebrate celebrate being different, celebrate breaking the norms and being unconventional. You don't have to follow everything that is just set in stone. I mean, yeah, I love wearing red and I have nothing against it, and yeah, I mean, it's nothing related to a particular dress or color or anything. I just want to give the message to be unique, to be you, and do what you want to do till the time it does not hurt anyone or don't break the law or something like that. But if it gives you happiness and if it doesn't hurt anyone, then go ahead and do it. So I hope you're having a beautiful time ahead. I'm recording this on Christmas evening, not Christmas Eve, but Christmas evening, 25th December evening. I had a very, very, very eventful day. There was a lot of things, and so I slept early yesterday. So I saw the Christmas mass, which are the prayers which happen in the church. I had to see that online live, because of COVID restrictions and the Omicron variant. I am not actually going out and attending church in person, so I attended it online via YouTube, which obviously is not as good as a in-person prayer meet, but still, I mean, something is better than nothing, right? So that is what I did, and it was blissful. And after that, I actually slept quite early. I knew I had a lot to do today, and I also had to shoot this vlog, so I wanted to just share it with you all and spread the Christmas cheer. So when I woke up, after that I just had my breakfast. I had some noodles, some chicken noodles with tea. So I tried to do something different with my normal ginger tea. I added some saffron to it, and it was different. It was a weird kind of different, because milk tea and saffron is not something which I am used to, or which that's kind of an acquired taste for me, so I need to get used to that. Without milk I'm fine with saffron, but with milk it becomes a little bit difficult for me. But nevertheless, saffron is beautiful, and the aroma and everything, it's really good, and especially for cold it is very, very good. I mean, the cold weather, I mean. So yeah, so that was something I did. And after breakfast I had to make a Christmas tree. So I already have a Christmas tree with the normal Christmas tree that everybody has, but I wanted to do something different. I wanted a Christmas tree which is, it is not a regular Christmas tree, but it's still a Christmas tree, you know, because as I told you, the theme I'm celebrating is be you, be different, be unconventional, be bold. Okay, so I just got this idea, and I'm sure a lot of you already have done this or have seen this. This is nothing new, but it's still different. Okay, so I made a Christmas tree out of books, yeah, like physical books. So I have a lot of books at home, school books, college books, and I mean, just a lot of them. So I decided to take those all out and made a Christmas tree out of them, and then added the decoration, lights and everything. So this is how my Christmas tree looks like, and it is just so good. So when we were making it, we didn't realize it's going to actually look like a real Christmas tree, or even if it is going to give those vibes, because we're not used to something like this, right? But then it actually looks like one. And we kept it in the living room in front of the television. It's like just sitting as the main attraction, the center of attraction, and it looks amazing. I should tell you this. And because it's just books, though no books were harmed doing this, so it's quite amazing, honestly. It's something different, never done this before. So
This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me.
Did you like my Christmas tree made of books? If you do, or if you did, then please like this video. Tell me in the comment section, have you ever done something crazy like this, or are you planning to do it now, next year, whenever? Have you bookmarked this, or have you seen this before? I would really like to know what all different ways do you make your Christmas tree with. I've seen Christmas tree with newspapers and also papers and cardboard and all of those stuff, and books is something I made out of. Is there something else you make it out of? Let me know, please let me know. And if you like this, do subscribe to my channel, please. I put in a lot of efforts to film this video. It's a very busy day, and I just wanted to capture everything and share it with you, because I just love sharing it with you, and to hear your comments and to hear how much you like it, or whatever feedback you have. Basically, I just love building this community basically. So yes, please let me know. Okay, now after the Christmas tree, I clicked a lot of pictures. You can see it on my Instagram at Jen Stories, and yeah, and then I ordered a cake from a home baker. I'll tag her Instagram handle here. So she bakes cakes and brownies and a lot of goodies. So there is a special Christmas cake which she was baking, so I ordered it, and so I got it yesterday, right on Christmas Eve, and I cut it at midnight. Not midnight, I cut it today, and it was very delicious, fruity, and all the plummy goodness which is there in a Christmas cake. Totally loved it, and I'm also planning to buy a lot more from her. If you want to, then just DM her. She has this online store, you can go and check that out. Yeah, that's it. I think I just got ready and I'm filming it, and now I need to do what? Yeah, now I need to edit a lot of them, a lot of pictures, videos and everything. Correct. Okay guys, so that is all from my Christmas vlog. I hope you liked my Christmas celebrations, and also the home decor. So I keep my home quite minimal during Christmas. It's just a little bit of decoration, some balloons and some lights and all of that. So I hope you liked it. I hope you had a good time. Let me know, what did you do for Christmas? How has your celebrations been like, and how are you planning to celebrate your New Year's? And anything, just whatever you want to talk to me about, just comment below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I am going to see you in my next video coming soon, very soon. Thank you so much for all the love that you're giving me. I am so grateful. Thank you. I wish you all the happiness and all the success. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.